Good morning. Today is July 25th, 2026. And what we're going to take a look at today is the last building standing of what began as the Pontiac Spring and Wagon Works here in Pontiac, Michigan. I believe this building started in 18 Sorry, bad crowded traffic at 7 a.m. on a Saturday. This building began about 1899 as the Pontiac Spring and Wagon Works. We're going to go over on the other side of those railroad tracks and check it out, okay? All right, we made it across the tracks, and here we are. And the name's still on the building, Pontiac Spring and Wagon Works. And I can't quite make out what the second one is. Maybe if you look at it long enough, you'll see. Now, eventually, the Pontiac Spring and Wagon Works opened up here. Like I said, that building right there was built in 1899. And along about 1908, the Pontiac Spring and Wagon Works began building an automobile, which was a high-wheeler. And the name of the car was the Pontiac. Basically, it's the first car, to the best of my knowledge, it was the first car ever built in and named for Pontiac, Michigan. Now again, let's keep in mind that this is the last building standing, and the Spring and Wagon Works compound used to stretch over here. Now there's Exo Noble paint manufacturer over there. The Spring and Wagon Works, of course, built horse-drawn wagons, and right about 1908 they realized the automobile was worth looking into. But soon after Spring and Wagon Works began, Cartercar came in and started building the Cartercar. Now, the Cartercar was quite innovative at the time because it had something called the friction drive transmission. Basically, the friction drive transmission allowed you infinite speed settings. Now see, that's where we were just a couple minutes ago on the other side of the tracks. So So the Cartercar complex stretched down here, and in the very far distance down there you can see the last building standing of the Rapid Motor Car Company, which I've already made a video of, which you can find on my channel. But we'll take a look at this old girl here. You can see set in concrete there. It's 1899. That's probably what the main entrance was. It's a big old building. It's about 4 stories. And it's been a bunch of different things. Cartercar was here until they were purchased by General Motors, just as General Motors purchased about any car company they got their hands on in the early 1900s. And it is for sale, if anyone's interested. I don't know if there's a business in here right now or not. I don't think there is. But anyway, after Cartercar was bought out, drew a blank there for a minute. Another car was made here. It was called the Olympian, right about 1917, I think. And then a couple years after that, the Friend Automobile Company moved in here. Now that's interesting because you can see that loading dock there looks very new. I mean, within the last 30 years, probably. After... Get up on the curb, I'm gonna get run over. After the Friend Motor Car Company moved in, this building was a succession of different businesses. It was a furniture company, a furniture warehouse, a feed and grain house, and a bunch of other things. Now, a lot of sources seem to say that after Cartercar moved out, they started building Oaklands here. But there is very little evidence that Oakland were ever built here. But somebody's been in this compound recently. A couple semi-trailers over there. And once again, you can see Rapid Powerhouse. This is how close all this was together. And Cartercar was down, had that whole complex down there where the parking lot is. It ran all the way down there. And here you have the last building standing. Well, there's even more writing up at the top there. I can't see what it says though. It's very faded, but it sure gives you an idea of what how long lasting that paint was. Oh, it was the Wolverine Furniture Company. That's right. That's what that says up there. The Wolverine Company, I think. So yes, there was a point be having good old-fashioned paint that lasted for 100 years. Still got some prettiness to it, doesn't it? A lot of history in this building. Another building from the brass car era, still standing here in Pontiac, Michigan. There's a really old for lease sign there. Well, we'll take a quick walk by here so we don't get this video too long. Of course, I always say that and the video ends up being long. Office furniture, feed and grain. Oh, I just noticed there's cameras on the building. All right, well, somebody's interested. There's a camera up there in the right, top right. Well, $18.99. Still a spring chicken, huh? All right, folks, thanks for tuning in. I've got two more. Boy, was that some nice brickwork there, wasn't it? Well, thanks for tuning in. I've got two more videos on two more brass car era manufacturers. All right, thanks a lot.